Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna be filming this Panda face palette. And I saw this, Alejandra did this intro recently, and I fell in love with the idea because I have a lot of face palettes, and something happened to me doing the project pan that I'm doing this year, which is the 10 pans before Christmas and also my yearly project pan for this year. I finished the bronzer that I had, I finished the blush that I had, and I think I never had a highlight. Yeah, just a liquid highlighter. So I added, without adding it officially, a palette. So that's the palette that I'm gonna pan first. But I'm gonna do this Panda face palette with two palettes, and it's gonna be a yearly project pan, it's gonna be a rolling project pan. So if you wanna see the palette that I chose, and if you wanna see just the intro and how the palettes look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the palette that I chose for this Panda face palette video is this one. And the reason why I wanted to join this project pan, this is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow, and this is the one that Alejandra had, and it was so exciting for me to join her because, like I said, I was already putting this on my project pan drawer just to use it because I finished my bronzer and my blush from my project pan. And also I've been doing Panda palette video for eyeshadow palettes. So it's something that I love doing. It's just one product or two products that I can show you guys constantly without knowing that it's gonna be a long video to produce. And it's something that I will do anyway because I need to go through the face palettes that I have in my collection. Face palettes are harder to finish. Not all the products in the face palette will work for you. And sometimes you just have one favorite inside the palette and then you just use it for a while and then you want another blush, so you leave the palette behind. The thing about the palette that I chose, and then I chose two, and I'm gonna tell you the reasons why, it's that this is a palette that I use all the products in it. I'm wearing both of them today, and I'm gonna tell you how I'm wearing them. So the first one that I'm gonna start with is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow. And these, Alejandra said that this wasn't people's favorite when it was released. I bought it when it was released, and it was a favorite because I remember hitting pan in the bronzer and the highlighter quickly after I got it because I was using it almost every day. And then at one point in a project progress, I grabbed it again and used it a ton. Now, since I finished the number 7 bronzer on my project pan, I've been using this one so much. And I know the pan has been expanded and I know I will finish this soon. But the blush, I almost never touched it. So I've been using it every day these past few days. Almost about 15 days now. And then the highlight I've been using every day as well. It's the highlight that I'm wearing today. And the blush, I don't know when I'm gonna hit pan. And I love rotating my blushes. But when I grab a bronzer, I will use it almost every day. And then the highlighter, I wear it and I exchange it for different highlighters. But this is how the palette looks like. I'll be taking pictures of it, but I wanna give you a close-up. You can see that the pan in the bronzer is huge. And the pan in the highlight as well. It's really nice. The blush is basically brand new because I've been only using it recently and it was just untouched. I love the formula for that palette, but I know the blush is gonna take a while because it's that consistency that you have to work hard to finish it. You have to really use it because it's not a consistency that's powdery and that will go everywhere, sort of like the ABH eyeshadows or maybe the Hula bronzer. It's more of a compact jelly type of consistency. So those are harder to finish. So you know that when you finish them, you truly use them. And then since that bronzer is gonna die and I will wanna replace the palette or I will wanna replace the bronzers, I don't wanna grab a new bronzer that I have. I wanna finish this one because this has pan as well and I think I can finish them both this year. This is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Contour Palette 4-in-1 face palette. And it comes with the face essentials. So this is the Desert Nights bronzer, which is a warm bronzer similar to this one. Then it has the Sculpt powder in the shade medium, which I really like. And I have in another palette, so I would love to finish it. And then it has this highlighter, which is the Starlight highlighter. I have used this, but I haven't used it enough. So I know that when I want to switch up from this one, I can go to this one. I think this one is going to be easier to pan. And then since this is a peachy blush, this is more of a pinky peachy blush, and it's the blush that I'm wearing today on my face, and I love the finish of this blush, and also it's a soft formula. So I think I'll be able to really make some damage in all of these products. I think the hardest product to finish on this project is gonna be the blush right here, but I'll make my best to finish them up. So this is gonna be the intro for the Panda palette. I'm gonna do a close-up of this one. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna start this project right now in December. I'm not gonna wait till January. And it's just something that I'm really excited about. So thank you to Alex, because if she hadn't posted, I wouldn't even think about it. I would think about project progresses and stuff, but I wouldn't think about trying to pan an entire face palette. So that's the end of the video. As an emoji today, let's just leave something that, let's go with the names. That sounds bronzy to you. Desert nights. So bronze or desert nights. That's gonna be the emoji for the day. Just try and find something that makes you think about bronze, desert nights. And that would be it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more. I'll be doing monthly updates on this one. And like I said, if I finish all the bronzers, then I will add another face palette and I will finish the bronzer on that face palette. I just wanna keep it up with finishing products that I have in my collection. That's gonna be my main goal for next year, and you will see that in my upcoming videos, where I will be announcing how my next year is gonna be when it comes to projects. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Love you. Bye.